Today I just wanted to do a video on how to easily add a plugin and customize your menu in LightWave and bring a LightWave script back to life. And I got inspired to do this because I was watching this tutorial on 3D page turns, and if you come down here in the description it gives an example of some plugins that are used, and one of them is this grid spread, and I thought, oh, that'd be cool, you know, so how do I get this plugin? And then I realized there's a little bit to it, not very much at all. It's really quick and easy, actually. Super easy, barely an inconvenience, can I say that? So I'll click on this and it takes me to the LightWave website, and then here is the developer, Akiri Asagi, I guess. It takes me to his or her website, I guess. If I come down here to grid spread, it's here somewhere. And when I first saw this, I was like, well, what the heck am I supposed to do with all this? Well, this I didn't realize was LightWave scripting language here. So all you have to do is copy this and save it as .ls file. So that's what we're going to do. I'm just going to click here and drag down, or I'll just hit Control A and then Control C. And then I'll go into my Python editor, which is Sublime, and hit Control V and copy all the code in. And you can do this in a text editor. We're just going to save this out, save as, and I'll just call it grid spread. And just make sure you save it with the .ls extension. LightWave will recognize that as a LightWave script. Once that's done, you can save that file. I saved it to the desktop, but you should probably save it in with your plugins in the LightWave folder. So now if I come over here and go into layout, I just wanted to show you how easy it is to customize your menu sim here. When I first got started with LightWave, I found this fairly intimidating, but then once I got comfortable with it, I realized it's actually fairly easy. So to add a tab up here, which is what we're going to do, we just come into edit and we're going to go and edit menu layout. We'll click on the main menu, we'll go new group, we'll click on that, and then we'll rename it, and we'll just call it My Scripts, like that. Okay, and then we're just going to go okay, and then it's saved. And then to reposition this up here, you click on drag it down here, and you'll notice that the line, when it's short line, that means it's going to become a child of that folder, and when it's longer, it's going to be its own tab. So we'll just drag it down here to the bottom, and like right there, and we let go. And now you see it up here as its own tab, and we'll just go done. Now to add a plugin, a LightWave script, is very easy. You're just going to come to utilities and you're going to go add plugins, and we'll just go, actually it's kind of cool after you save it. If you have LightWave on your system, it'll actually give it this cool icon right there. So then you just go open, that's my desktop, and then we've added the plugin, and it says it's one plugin added down here, but we want it conveniently located so we can get to it really just by clicking. So all we got to do then is go back to edit menu layout, and over here all we got to do is type in the name of the plugin, grid spread, and there it is right here. And all we have to do is click on it and click and drag it into the My Scripts folder like that. And there it is, and done. So now if we look at our menu items up here, there is our script. So we took it all the way off of a website, saved it in an LS file, and brought it into LightWave, adjusted our menu, added a tab, and now we have it available to us. Now if I click on it, nothing happens, and that's because I don't have anything going on here. But just to show you that it works, if I go here and add a null, and then add another null, let me spread it out here, and let me add just one more null like this. So now I've got 3 nulls up here, and I'll put them at different distances. Now if I hold shift and click on each one, now if I come over here to my scripts folder and click grid spread, the tool pops up. And let's say I just wanted to put an equal distance between them. I'll just say, let's say 5 meters. I click in 5 and go okay. And if I zoom out, you see that the nulls have been evenly spaced apart from one another. And that's how easy it is to not only customize your menu and add a plugin, but also to take one of these older scripts and bring them back to life and use them in your own LightWave edition or version of LightWave. So anyway, I hope you found this helpful. Take care and have a great day.